All right. Hello. Welcome. This is Ali with PredictionQuant. Want to shoot a quick video here today about this exciting little tool that I've been using to track a lot of my prediction market trades, specifically my crypto market trading to be exact. But you could actually use this for a lot of other different prediction market trades as well. Okay. So I'm going to be giving this away for free to anyone who wants it. Feel free to just simply click the link below. You'll be taken to a page, put in your email, and then the download file will be sent directly to your email address. All right. So before we go ahead and start, I want to just give you a quick little details on this. As you can see, this has a lot of different functions. You can even import trades directly from Kalshi, okay, with this using the CSV file. So you click on it, it'll actually give you instructions on what you need to do to just click and download those files straight to the tracker. Okay, so you can put any type of range that you're looking at all time, last year, last 90 days, doesn't matter. You can input these into the tracker and it'll go ahead and update your stats right away. Okay, you just simply import your trades. Also, you can export your trades as well to a CSV. So everything here that you're tracking, you can export it. And then also you can log your trade. All right, so logging your trade is pretty simple. You go in here, you put the market or the contract that you're entering. You can see here, pretty self-explanatory, date. This has EdgeStrike signal. So this is based on my system for EdgeStrike, but you don't have to use it if you don't have EdgeStrike. But you can just simply put ready or wait. But here you put in the entry price that you got in into the prediction market trade, the exit that you got out, contracts, and then the hold duration, right? How long did you hold the position? And then what was the outcome? Win, loss, or is it open or still in progress? And then you can even put in some little side notes here as well to give you for that particular trade. Okay. So A plus setup, B setup, whatever it may be, you can make little notes here as well. All right. And then just save the trade. So when you're looking here at this chart, you're going to see a lot of different things. You even have bankroll management here. So you can actually click in, type in rather, your bankroll. So whatever amount you're starting at or you currently have. And you can even put a target goal as well. So let's say, for example, you start off with $200. Your goal is to hit $1,000. Okay. If you go ahead and look down here in the bankroll overview, it'll give you a progress bar of how far you are to hit that goal. Okay. So let's say here I put in $115 balance, $500 target. I am 1.7% near the target and I have $378 to go. All right. So you can play around with that and you can put that into your bankroll settings and have that listed in here as well. Also, you'll be able to see total P&L from your trades, your total win rate, um, average return on trade, your average hold time in a trade, and then your total amount wagered on the platform. Okay, so that's all there for you. And as you can see here in the bankroll overview, this is pretty self-explanatory. Gives you your starting balance, what you're currently at right now, your target, your average risk per trade, okay, and then your average risk percentage, okay. Now, if we scroll down here a little bit, we have our trade quality metrics as well. So this gives you your expectancy, which is going to be your amount per trade that you're averaging. And if you hover over the little mouse, it'll give you a little explanation of exactly what each one of those means. All right. And then you see your average winner, average loser, profit factor. Okay. You even have a chart here that indicates your process along the way, as well as a pie chart giving you your win loss breakdown, your best win, your worst loss, any open trades, losses, and wins. And then here is your trade history. Okay. So if you go below, you'll see you can do it by all you can just do wins if you want to just see your wins, if you want to just see your losses, right? You can, if there's any open trades, you can look at those, and then you can see just all time trades, right? So you'll see everything here flagged on this trade that you entered when you put in your submission. And then everything is located here, right? So really simple there. If you scroll back up to the top, another thing I want to show you is the calendar. So if you look at the calendar, it'll give you a breakdown of either monthly, weekly, or daily, okay, that you can input. So let's just kind of go back to when I entered some trades here. Let's say, okay, right here. This day, right, May 4th, you can see all the trades that were taken, right, when, as soon as you click on that day. Okay. So if you go back to the monthly chart, you see a trade, you click on it, gives you the amount, and then you can see every trade that day that you took. All right. So this is very accurate, as you can see. And then, like I said before, you can break it down into the different formats, and you can see whatever your percentages were for that day. All right. And if we go back here to overview, and then it comes back to us again. All right. So I'll be giving this away. If anybody who wants it, they feel that you were, you wanting to be able to track your trades better, just to kind of get a better sense of, how you're behaving in the markets as far as with the prediction markets specifically. Click the link, put in your email. You'll get this over to you instantly. It'll house on your computer, and you should be good to go. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon.